Okay, hold on. Don't shoot. You see where you're going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's worry about how you get there. Move your foot here. Point down this way. Hips. Here. Okay. You see?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
How about now? You see now?
No.
How about now? All right. Ready? Three fingers.
Nice.
Nice throw, kiddo.
Go.
Hey, you guys want mayo or mustard or both? What's mayo in a hot dog?
By your brothers. Two mustard, please. Thanks, Mama.
Got it.
Mayo деген майонез. Mayonnaise.
Nate, mayo or mustard? How about ketchup? Or ketchup. I got ketchup too.
Güzel. How about ketchup?
Good job, Hawkeye. Go get your arrow.
Hey guys, enough practice. Soup's on.
All right. We're coming. We're hungry.
Байқаңыздар, enough practice дейді. Enough practice емес, ауыз екі тілде. Enough practice.
Now let's go. Lila? Honey? Hey, babe? 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 Boys! Boys!
Such a heart-breaking scene. Себебі Hawkeye отпускта еді, ана жақта кипиш болып жатқанда, және бұл білмеді ғой мына таныс істеп жатқан. Heartbreaking.